Hello everyone, my name is Koze Frederick and I am the Member of Parliament representing the indigenous community on Waitukubuli. I would like to invite you to the upcoming Road Ahead panel discussion on Tempo. The topic of discussion is reparations, the Caribbean case. Our focus will be on the 10-point plan, which includes an Indigenous Peoples Development Program. This is an important conversation because the governments of Europe committed genocide upon the natives of our islands. From all accounts, military commanders were given official instructions to eliminate these communities. Caribbean citizens, I must emphasize that genocide and land appropriation went hand in hand. Please join in this wonderful conversation on November 5th at 3 p.m. as we attempt to shed light on the need for reparative justice.